Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, power down, unplug, and ground yourself. You want safe access. First, remove the side panel and inspect fans and cables. Make sure connectors are seated. Then boot briefly to note baseline idle temperature with HW monitor or GPU-Z because you need a reference. Once done, record numbers and fan behavior. These facts guide the next steps. You'll know if fans are failing, if airflow is blocked, or if thermal paste replacement is necessary. Next, you clean and optimize airflow. Use compressed air in short bursts while holding fan blades to prevent spin damage, because dust insulates and raises temps. Remove dust from heatsink fins and nearby intake filters. While you're there, reroute case cables and add 1 or 2 intake fans to create positive pressure, which reduces dust buildup. Make sure power connectors are tight and the GPU shroud is correctly seated. Poor contact or obstructed airflow will keep temperatures high. Finally, perform thermal rework if cleaning didn't fix it. Remove the GPU cooler, clean old thermal paste with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol, and inspect the thermal pads. Apply a thin, even layer of high-quality thermal paste, retorque screws in a diagonal pattern, and reassemble. Once done, monitor under load. Make sure fan curves are set in MSI Afterburner. If temps remain high, try the card in another PC or update BIOS/drivers. These steps isolate hardware from software problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.